Yeah, magandang araw ho. Jessica, welcome to my vlog. Welcome back to my vlog. Part 1. Yan, narito ako sa sa gubatan. Today is gubat vlog. So, kami ng aking asawa magpipiknik. Tawag ito. Ang tawag doon, yung free sa work, yung day off, ang tawag doon, yung gawin ko, nakakalimutan na naman. Yun, kita naman nyo, grainy, as usual, dito sa Sweden, maganda pag grainy, pati ang kaduray, naging grainy, naging rosa. Ayan o, hindi lang akong natapilok. Yan, dito pwede dito magpipiknik. Oh, yan, may grill sila. Ito yun. This is what I like. So, yan, mag-grill sila doon. Meron doon, ayun, tingnan natin. Yung kung gustong paghalimbawa ay naglalakad dito ng malayo-layo, gusto lang mag-camping, pwede silang tumulog doon sa yun, parang inakibahay, kubo. Yan. Tapos, yun ang pwede dito silang, yan, may nagsiga dito kada-siga lang. Yun. This is the little shed that you can sleep on. Oh, I think that is reject modern society. That's not Viking sign. Somebody sign. Kung gusto niyo yung mga maigsi na katulad ko, yung mga pandak. Yeah, that sabi ng aking asawa yun daw sa kahoy, sa hindi, yun sa atin pagpandak. You can sleep here when you are short. That is perfect. Like me. Good morning, magandang araw. Sabi magandang araw, habi. Magandang hapon. Araw. Wherever the word. Yan, punta tayo doon sa gubat na naman. Pag ganito yung summer, either we are in the forest or we are in the city exploring, so you have to come with us. Me, anyway, but if my husband is working, so I'm the one who will go alone. So just come. Oh, look at the tree. Green yun. Oh, it's another shed that you can sleep.
Wind protection.
Wind protection. May protection yata yan. Baka meron ditong So, let's go. Oh, my friend is here. Nako, tuma si pare ko eh. Pag kami may dalawang two different sorts of that snail. The brown one is not good because they are eating the plants. Tsaka yung black one is nice, just eating the stone. No, hindi naman stone, hindi naman nangangain ng stone yung black na yun. Ay di naging mukha yung rock, si Mr. Rock. Hindi, para dalawang nila sort. Yung isang brown, ayaw ko ng brown. Dahil nga nangangain nga ng mga nangangain ng mga halaman. So, ayan. Kaganda dito. Teka muna, tayo pupunta tayo sa baba. Makikita natin yung mga batuhan. Baka makita tayong sihi. Yung shell. Shell. Yan. This is the map that we are going. This area looks like this. And then that we are here, and we were going to that you called Josephine Lust. So Josephine Lust, that name. As you see, there I will go back. That one, design, pure blue, like the map, pure blue. The Josephine Lust is in here, in the blue sign. So we will follow this path. So we're going down. We're going down the hill. So it says in the sign that it's not allowed to have fire. Of course, this is forest. Oh, you can see me. You can see me in my video. Down, all the way there. Chika, 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 chika. Chika, chika, chika. Dahan-dahan, baka mawala ang ngipin at ang tainga at ang ilong ko. Matarik. Oh, ayan. If you are tired, you can sit here. Kaya hindi dito pwede. Hindi pwede sa mga matatanda na. Dahil baka baka bumunak. Baka dagos-dos pupunta sa doon. Hindi, naging sirena, naging syukoy. Charot. Oh, wildflower. This is Kaduray's love. Wildflowers everywhere. And then ayun, doon tayo sa punta, doon sa baba. Meron 2 lovers na nung naroon. Pero kami dalawa ng aking asawa ay lovers din. Kaya nga lang, ni-antik na. Sige pa, malapit na tayo. Sabi ko sa aking asawa, at he will hold in this one so that he will not fall, because otherwise he will lose his teeth, his arm, and you never know. So be careful. But he said, no, I am Superman. Superman na walang tainga at walang ngipin at walang ilong. Eh siya, tama na. Galing pa. Ayan siya. Ayoko na. Malapit na. Narito na. Ayan, may konti silang beach. Pero hindi beach. Mga stone place. But you see, you can climb doon and have little picnic. So, we're going there inside. We will see what we will find. Maybe the goat man. Oh, tingnan nyo ere. Yun, yung mga turista pag napunta dito, nagagawa sila ng mga yung ganyan. Parang tower. Oh, ganyan si tower na gayon. Kita ganin nyo? At ako maglalagay din ng tower para sa Kikaduray. Yun, very nice. Naroon si Habi. Punta tayo doon sa kaliwa. Punta nyo sa kaliwa. Punta ko doon. Yan. Ginuguna-guna ako. Kumuha ako ng bulaklak. Kita nyo. Dahil pag kami kumain ng picnic, meron konting bulaklak. As usual, it's Kaduray time. Oh, wow. Yun, galing Punta tayo doon sa makunting kuiba. Baka naroon ang biking. O kaya, baka naroon yung si Kwan, si Tarzan, at saka si Jane. Laman yung yan. Punta tayo. Talaga namang hingal. Pati dila ay nakalawit. Ayan. It's cool. Really cool. Huh? I think it's been here many years ago. I don't know what. I think it's because of the wave. Maybe 1,000 years. And people, and somebody put a bench that you can sit on, and look at this. Oh, it's back. Malamig siya. Tabi po. Hindi ko nakita, takibulag. Oh, look at the view. Na. Galing yan, oh. So, yan si Habi, paparto na. Piyong hindi kaya ni Habing pumarito. Dahil sabi ko sa kanya eh. Mawak ng mawak ay hindi siya eh. Siya, yain na. Galing tayo. Wow, scenery. Gawin na tayong scenery. Galing. Yun. Yun. We're going down na. We will look again in the place that we both sandwich with us, and we will see where we can sit. Oh, my husband is here, and I have to be careful. Look at the cave, small cave of the Viking. Yeah, yun, nag-iisa na kami. Yes, we are alone. We are alone here, but we can go up and see what it's in up there. If it's not, we go na. Go down again. Yan. Yung maganda doon. Teka. Flip natin yung camera. Naroon na ang aking asawa na naman. Kaya naman para yung higanti. The giant. My husband is like a giant. Whew. I'm only catching up. But sometimes my breath is also catching up. Because he is always 100 meter or no 1 kilometer advance. Oh, look at this. Very tired na. Lintik. Ay, sorry pa. Para pang hantik. Hantik ang sabi ko, hindi yung para ayaw ko ba ganitong yung pataas-taas. At kahit ako'y active, even I'm walking a lot, but if it's mountain like this or high up, I mean bad breath. Yun, namahon ang buhanga. Hindi, yun, slowly. Yan. Kaya ang view. Yung sa baba. Wow. Nice. My husband. Hi. Tara na. Say hello. O, tipan nyo yun. Naku. Hindi niyan maluluko. Ari, yun na rin ang kabila nun. I will not go there because it's not safe, I think. So that is the surrounding. And we go here. And look. Yeah. Everywhere you go, it's another day. It's another. Tingnan natin. Batuhan din. Naghirap lang ako. Batuhan din yun eh. Pero ganda. Meron dito nagpicnic. Nalimutan yung kanya lang siguro yung dalawa kanina. Nalimutan yung drinks. Yan, upo tayo dito. Idala ko tubig. Ito ang flower. Wala kaming table. I don't have table. So I put it in here. Or nakalagay na lang sa sapatos. I put it in my shoes. Or am I here? Ayan na.
Det går inte att komma in i mackan.
Or they are here. No, I think it's here. Here. Oh, flower. You can. I will open to you. Oh. Hindi marunong ang Swedish. Sa atin pag magbubukas, wala tayong pambukas. Oh. Halit ng halit. Halit lang. Oh. Ay, ilagay butas ng butas. late. I didn't make my own sandwich, but this one is good. I have the, binili ko, we bought it doon, the shop. This is baguette bread with shrimp. Shrimp that I caught that downstairs. Sarap. Ha? Oh. Malaki. Bagong lahat. Tanirihan pa ang sandwich with shrimp. Kahit naputo na, even it's better late than never. I will show you because I forgot to show you. Ito pa, ito. Oh. Na. So, arehaw, makagat ko na. So, ito ang ganito ang kulay. Yam! Oh. Doon sa lahat ay nagbibuild. All of the tourists build the tower. So, Kaduray will make a tower. Kaduray's tower. Let's go. Tulungan niyo ako. Yan, lagay natin. Yung isa. Yung dalawa. Pagpakadamihan, baka tayo muscle. Saan ka kukuha? Aray panghilod eh. Ganda itong panghilod. Oh. Ako. Mali yun. Teka. Wala lang, 4. 4 na lamang. Yung malalapat baga. Yung pag malalapad. Saka yung bilog, oh. Para itong itlog. Oh. Yan, tama na yun. Yung Kaduray na tower. May munti pa nakahiling. Nakahiling. The small one. What do you say? Ah! Galing! Yippee! Ayun, Kaduray's Tower. Yun. Yan naman po ang Kaduray's Tower. Oh. Yan. Talaga naman. Phew, galing. Yan, lakad. Tingnan natin sa kabila. At doon naman batuhan din. Pero pinapakikita ko rin sa inyo na pagka magandang ganito, parang nature sila. Nature masterpiece. Nature masterpiece. Yun. Hanggang doon yun. Pwede naman tumalon doon. Kung ako lang ay matchin o kaya unggoy, naroon na ako. Ay hindi eh. Ay ako si Kaduray. Ayun. Yun doon tayo nanggaling tayo doon kanina. Yun doon. Naroon na aking mister. Nagmumuni-muni. Baka baka may dumating na nabituin. Yan, talubungan, palakpakan. Isa pa. So, magtapos na natin po at uwi na tayo. So, thank you for watching and see